Welcome back to Outback Polaks. Today we are in Olsztyn and I have kidnapped two children, Lena and Pola. They are assisting me in exploring Olsztyn. Jim in Olsztyn?
Yes.
Yes. Are you ready?
Ready.
Ready. Let's go. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. If you wish to purchase these children, don't. They're terrible. Nah, I love them to bits. So as I said, we are in Olsztyn, and Olsztyn is famous because of Copernicus. Olsztyn is basically situated about an hour and a half from Malbork, where the Teutonic Knights resided, and Copernicus is here defending the castle against the Teutonic Knights. If you don't know who Copernicus is, this is the guy that basically said the planets spin around the sun, not the sun around the planets, unlike most of the flat earthers out there think. So, hello Lena.
Hello.
Hello. So we are now going to go around and explore the castles. Maybe, I think there's a planetarium around here as well. We'll see how much time we have, because as I said, in Poland the time runs out very quickly and it gets dark. To co, idziemy?
Tak.
Let's go. These are not my children. I don't care how much sugar they have. I'm gonna buy it all. Good luck, Alain Marcin. Just leaving? Happy?
Tak. Happy.
Happy. No. Make sure you eat everything and jump on mum and dad's bed tonight. So they're digging up old ruins here. Olsztyn's history is actually really important. It dates back to 13th century, when it was a strategic city in Poland, defending itself against the Teutonic Knights. As you can see here in the sign, this is where it all started. So you got Malbork there, the big one, which is the largest castle in the world, where I'm from, which is Malbork Castle. Then we start going all the way up to Lithuania, Kaliningrad. Olsztyn is right there, Nijica, Działdowo, Kwidzyn, where I was actually born, Gniew, which we were in the previous vlog, and Człuchów, Bytów, Lębork. So it was all surrounded by the Teutonic Knights. I think the Teutonic Knights built like over 50 castles when they were at their peak, controlling the areas. And obviously Olsztyn was a strategic point for the Polish government. It's a very rich history. I've always wanted to come here, so I'm really happy. And it's on the Missouri Lakes district as well, which are beautiful lakes, but we're actually staying. St. James Cathedral, which was built in the 14th century. It is absolutely massive. I continue to be impressed by the huge ceilings that are here, and I'm glad the camera's not focusing on my face because you can see the architecture. You know, I'm not a big church-going person, but This is very impressive, and this was built in the 14th century. It's amazing. Really, really amazing. What did you think of the cathedral? Co myślicie o katedrze?
Good.
Good? Big. Duża. Very big. I'm also eating candy now. Time to warm up. Lena stole my gloves because she left hers in the car. To ma moje rękawice. Aha. 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 It's been a while since I've hung out with kids under the age of 10. I remember when Lumi was really young, she used to ask me a lot of questions, but I've got 2 under 10-year-olds who are asking me so many questions that I have no answers to. Tak?
Widziałam jakieś tam dziwne kamienie.
No. I co?
Tam było narysowane chyba jakiś diabeł.
Tak.
Jakie co? Taki diabeł.
I just have to make up answers now. So it's like,
Wujeka czemu?
bo diabeł przyszedł i zrobił. No.
Nie.
So they asked me whether there's a rock there by the devil. Yes. Yes, there is.
A, i tak. O, teraz mi ciężko.
To jeszcze tam spadniesz. A, to be a kid again. Zobaczcie, mam mój. Kaczki, zobacz.
Kolejne. Ale chyba nie. Wujek.
So this is the castle of Olsztyn. Very beautiful.
Kaczki weź na vlogu.
And these guys are all interested in just the ducks.
Kaczki z
Dobrze,
filmu.
dobrze. These are the river ducks.
Sfilmuj kaczki.
I have to record the ducks. I have recorded the ducks. Już filmowałem kaczki. Już 2 razy.
Ale na tym też?
Tak.
Na
Dobra.
YouTube'a jest.
Okay, yep. I have to record these ducks. Very important, I'm recording the ducks.
Kaczki.
Yep. Happy?
A to dzień. Happy.
Happy. Okay. Ducks recorded, back to the castle. This is the Olsztyn castle. So this is where Copernicus was stationed to defend the castle. We're now going to head to the planetarium where he was, and then we're going to go back to the hotel because I'm under very strict instructions that we must go back to the hotel. It's getting cold.
Myślałam, że będzie miał jakieś 1000 ile? 800 000 lat.
800 000 lat.
No będzie miał
Okay.
tyle.
Paula said this castle was 800,000 years old. Yes, Paula, 800,000. I asked the girls what's the favorite part of the trip with me. Seeing the ducks. Priority number 1 are the ducks. And candy. Hey, to moje rękawice. That's my gloves. We are now on the way to the planetarium. I have no idea what's there. I hope it's good, because the girls are getting tired. Oh, me too. They're celebrating 550 years of Copernicus. So I think the gallery will be nice. Let's go have a look. We're now at the planetarium. We're going to see a movie about the planets. Should be interesting. I need to pee. Okay? They don't understand.
Jest to planeta Wenus. Zawsze świeci jaśniej od gwiazd i dlatego pokazuje się jako pierwsza.
The planetarium was really interesting. It was so wonderful to be here and explore the stars. The kids absolutely loved it. Lena, did you like it? Lubiłaś? Oh, hello. Good morning. Oh. Did you have a good rest? Wyspałaś się? Lubiłaś to planetarium? Yeah. Let's go home.